Welcome back to NextGen Auto Tech, where horsepower meets innovation. Today, we're unleashing the beast, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a car that continues to define American muscle with unapologetic power and attitude. The new Hellcat is a bold mix of classic muscle design and modern performance engineering, built to deliver pure adrenaline every time you hit the throttle. Under the hood sits Dodge's legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, cranking out a mind-blowing 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful production muscle cars on the planet. Paired with an 8-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual, this car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.3 seconds, with a top speed pushing over 200 miles per hour. Dodge has tuned the 2025 version with better cooling, lighter components, and improved suspension geometry for sharper handling, keeping the Hellcat brutally fast but more controllable than ever. On the outside, it looks meaner, wider, and lower, with new LED lighting, functional hood scoops, and aggressive aero detailing that screams performance from every angle. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit built for both comfort and chaos, Alcantara-trimmed seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and SRT Performance Pages that let you monitor boost pressure, G-forces, and track data in real time. The updated Uconnect system brings modern convenience with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound setup that can barely compete with the roar of that supercharged V8. Whether you're cruising Main Street or ripping down the drag strip, the 2025 Hellcat is all about one thing: raw, unfiltered power. It's the last of a dying breed, a machine that celebrates the glory days of American performance before the full electric shift. Thanks for watching NextGen Auto Tech. If you live for speed, muscle, and innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the cars that define the future of power.